a sequence is n squared minus 1. We need to find out the first three terms of the sequence. The first three terms of the sequence by this we mean when n equals to 1, which gives us the first term, when n equals to 2, and when n equals to 3. On substituting n equals to 1, we get the first term to be 1 squared minus 1, which is equal to 0. And on substituting n equals to 2, we get 2 squared minus 1, which is 4 minus 1, which is equal to 3. And on substituting n equals to 3, we get 3 squared minus 1, that is 9 minus 1, which is equal to 8. So the first three terms of the sequence are 0, 3, and 8 respectively. Now, on writing all the three terms of the sequence, we fetch 2 marks for this question. We need to note one thing, that for this question, there is no partial marking. Hope the solution was understandable. Thank you.